Okay, for 98, if you looked at that as, as x goes towards 1, you're going to get something that looks pretty unusual. You're going to get 1, and then the other one's going to be, 1 divided by, well, that looks kind of bizarre to me because it depends on what side the 1 is coming from, but it's clearly of the form where you're, if it's greater than 1, you can get a negative infinity. If it's less than 1, you're going to get a positive infinity. So, I'm saying it's problem forming. It's an indeterminate form. So I'm going to say, I got to think about this. And to think about it, what I do is I normally just simply say, I want to rewrite it. And I'm going to write as x to the 1 over 1 minus x. I take the natural log of both sides, and you get the natural log of y. And when we take the natural log of the right side, you just get 1 over 1 minus x times the natural log of x. So I think I'm ready to put this down, that y really equals something pretty simple. It equals e to a power. What's the power? ln x over 1 minus x. All right? That's the same meaning. So this limit over here is the same as saying limit as x goes to 1, and that's going to be e now, to the natural log of x over 1 minus x. All right, let me get my eraser out, because a lot of people don't do what I just did there. They just simply rewrite it. That's fine. Or if you can do, that's fine. What I want to do, though, is I want to start thinking about it, and sort of like in a clear mind. I think it's going to be easier for me to do this over here. But as I look at this thing, as x goes towards 1, the top definitely goes towards 0, and the bottom goes towards 0. All right? So I think I can use L'Hopital's rule. Let me put that down for you. Put an h over here for L'Hopital. And that's going to be limit x goes to 1. And that's going to be e. And what do you get on top? You're going to get 1 over x. That's not so bad. What do you get on bottom? You get minus 1. Now, what's that limit? I think I can do that limit. What happens there? Well, if you look at it, the top goes towards 1. The bottom goes towards minus 1. So it's just e to the minus 1, which is what? 1 over e. Are we getting that number over here? We certainly are. Thank you.